Hello, students. Today, our topic of discussion will be differential equation. Well, what on earth is differential equation, you might ask? In case of equation, we know that we have certain variable, let's say 4x square minus x equal to 3. In that case, we have a multi-order of same variable and an integer corresponding value. Or let's say square minus y square plus xy equal to any constant c. In that case, we have two variables and a constant corresponding value, and the two variables also have multiple order terms. In case of differential equation, how do we correspond? Let's say take a first order system. For an example, we have y square by x dy dx equal to, let's say, 2. How do we solve them? Because no ordinary way can solve this, as they have. Quite simply, let's consider this as y square y by x dx equal to 2. Well, have a clear numerator and denominator here. Let's cross multiply and see what happens, shall we? Cross multiplying, we get y squared dy equal to 2x dx. Now, let's integrate them, as we have an equation x only, corresponding equation with y only. Integrating, we get the equation y squared dy equal to 2 into equation x dx. Their solution will be y cube by 3 equal to 2 squared by 2. 2 and 2 will cancel each other, and we get, wait a second, here we have a 3 in the new denominator, the LHS. Let's also cross multiply it. So, after this cancelling and cross multiplication, what do we get? Get y cube equal to 3x squared. So this will be the solution for this differential equation. Now, the previous example, we have seen one example of first order differential equation. Let's take another example of the same system, shall we? Let's say we have root under 1 minus x squared by sine inverse x whole cube into, let's say, we have log pi whole square by y dy dx equal to 1. How to solve it? Well, let's take this x component along with this dx to the RHS and see what happens. Cross multiplying, we get log y whole square by y dy equal to sine inverse x whole cube by root under 1 minus square x. Now integrate them. We know from the previous one, the lecture corresponding integration have to by parts. Let's take two variable, that a equal to sine x, a equal to x by root under 1 minus square. And let's also take let b equal to log y. So e equal to 1 equal to dy by y. So let's modify the equation accordingly. Get equation of b square db equal to equation of a cube a. Rating, we get b cube by 3 equal to a to the power 4 by 4. In other words, is 4 into log I whole cube equal to 3 into sine inverse x whole to the power 4 is the so that is the answer for this question. Hope to see you in another lecture. Thank you very much for watching.